Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to the channel. It's another video and hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I share this simple and easy sweet buns recipe. So with this, I'm gonna use some flour, that is all-purpose flour, some milk, sugar, nut milk, baking powder, some salt, melted butter, and also with vanilla extract. So these are the ingredients I'll be using, and I'll also leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box below. So with this, guys, let's get started. Into a bowl, I will add all my dry ingredients together and mix them, and after that I will follow with my wet ingredients. If today being your first time of seeing this channel, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Please like this video and also share, and consider subscribing to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. So guys, at this point I'm adding my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix everything together. So that's my melted butter, vanilla, and the milk. With the milk too, I'll be adding it gradually and mix everything together until I get the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. So guys, please stay tuned. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel, and to my returning subscribers too. You guys are so wonderful, and I wouldn't have been here without your support. Thanks for always watching my video and leaving a comment. I do appreciate your time and your efforts. Alright, fam. So this is the consistency that I'm going for. The dough is not too soft and not too hard as well. So this is just perfect. While doing this, the oil too is already on the fire. So checking on how hot the oil is. The oil is hot, so I'll just scoop the butter roughly and drop it gently one after the other into the oil. Okay guys, after some time in the oil, I will turn it over for the other side to also fry it very well. And once it is golden brown, I will take it off from the oil, place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil from it. Now repeat the same process for the rest of the butter. And if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much. Please like this video, share this video to reach more people. Alright fam, our sweet buns recipe is all done and ready. This is so crunchy on the outside and it came out so perfect. Checking on the inside, this is very soft. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next video. Thank you.